Today we are going to look at energy. This is a topic that we've learned in class, and one of the key concepts for this topic was us to see how the systems integrate. Secondly, the related concept. If you look at the computer here, there is what we call the related concept, which is energy, transformation, and thirdly, the global context for this particular unit is on scientific and in technical innovation. Now, what are you anticipated to do? You were anticipated, if we look at this particular area, you were anticipated to carefully consider energy movement. However, there are some questions that are going to guide us. As we look at the topic of energy, there are some questions that are going to guide us. There are normally three questions that normally guide us. We have what we call the conceptual questions, we have the debatable questions, and the factual questions. Now, we are going to look at the factual question, what is energy? And in this particular session, I also want you to reflect what you had in class as your ATL skills. One of the ATL skills that I expect you to have is communication. Secondly, thinking. Thirdly, in research. We have to do a research on seeing what are the different forms of energy. How do we use energy in our homes, and how do we conserve the energy? So to start it off, we look at what is energy. So energy means any ability to do work. And we have different types of energy. This is an example of a graphic organizer that I've placed here. Although you learned it in class, but it's good to reinforce this particular area. So if you look at this graphic organizer here, we have what we call electrical energy. These are types of energy. We have kinetic energy, we have potential energy, then we have mechanical energy, we have nuclear energy, and further to that, we also have thermal energy. So I have left spaces here in between. Why? Because we have some form of energy, such as mechanical, chemical, and the rest that we need to put here. So when you talk of kinetic plus potential, it gives us mechanical energy. So in short, what we are trying to say is that we are trying to give the definition, we have given the definition of energy as the ability to do work. Further to that, we have talked of some types of energy. We have given examples: kinetic, electrical, potential, mechanical, nuclear, thermal, and we have said we can have either chemical and others which is normally present in that. So we also have what we call transformation. Energy can be transformed from one point to the other. We say that one of the skills that we are going to learn today, or one of the approaches to learning that I anticipate you to have, is research. We want to see from which form of energy we transform. Transformation from one point to the other. Again, also, how we conserve energy. So we are also going to look at conservation.